Welcome to my review of LegalZoom. In today's video, I will be giving you a comprehensive walkthrough of my experience using this popular online legal service platform. LegalZoom is widely known for offering a variety of legal services aimed at both businesses and individuals. Whether you're looking to set up an LLC, draft legal documents, or seek assistance with trademarks, LegalZoom promises to make the process easy and affordable. First, let's talk about setting up a business. One of the most common uses for LegalZoom is helping users form LLCs and corporations. I'll show you how the process works, from choosing the right business structure to filing the necessary paperwork. LegalZoom's website guides you through each step, making it simple to understand. The platform also offers a variety of packages that include additional services like operating agreements, EIN registration, and business license filings. Moving on, let's talk about creating legal documents. LegalZoom allows you to draft documents such as wills, contracts, and power of attorney letters. The platform provides templates that are customizable and ready for use. For someone like me, who needed to create a power of attorney document, this was incredibly helpful. LegalZoom makes it easy to fill out these templates and ensures that the documents meet legal requirements, giving you peace of mind. Another area where LegalZoom shines is its trademark services. For business owners looking to protect their brand, LegalZoom offers trademark registration assistance. I will walk you through how to start the process of trademarking your logo, name, or slogan using the platform. You can access trademark search tools and get advice from legal experts if needed. One of the things I love about LegalZoom is its accessibility. You don't need to be a legal expert to use the platform, as it's designed to guide you step by step. It's also a cost-effective option compared to hiring a lawyer for each task. However, there are some limitations to keep in mind. While LegalZoom provides a lot of helpful tools, it doesn't offer personalized legal advice like an attorney would. In terms of customer service, LegalZoom offers support through chat, phone, and email. During my experience, I found the response time to be quick, and the support agents were friendly and knowledgeable. They're available to assist with any questions you might have about the services or your account. LegalZoom also has a satisfaction guarantee, so if you're not happy with the service, you can get a refund in some cases. This added reassurance makes it easier to trust the platform, especially if you're new to using online legal services. To sum up, LegalZoom is a great choice for individuals and small businesses looking for affordable, easy-to-use legal services. While it doesn't replace a lawyer for complex legal matters, it's perfect for handling simple legal tasks such as creating documents, filing for trademarks, and setting up an LLC. If you're in need of an efficient and budget-friendly solution for your legal needs, I highly recommend giving LegalZoom a try. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more reviews, and leave a comment if you have any questions about LegalZoom. Thanks for watching.